Hey guys, my DIY here again. Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, Messi DIY here again, and I know it's been a very long time. Like it's been like 2 months. Got the hair on Becca View for 14,700 naira, and that was actually cheap because I had the money there and there, so I was able to afford it at a particular time. So yeah, like most, you can't trust most Instagram accounts these days because most of them are scam, and most of the time the hair they send are not actually good quality. But this hair is actually nice. Like I love it a lot. Like it doesn't shed, not too much shedding. I've used this hair like more than 7, 8, if not 10 times since I made it, and so far I love the hair. Like I love this hair. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do like, share. As you can see, the hair came in 8-inch, both the weave on the frontal and 8-inch. This is the wig cap I could find. I wanted to buy the dome cap, which is outside thick, but I couldn't find that. So what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to get the base for where the frontal will lay. It's ear to ear frontal, so it's supposed to be ear to ear on the mannequin head. So I'm using my pin to hold it still so it won't shift and it won't be too yes. So I'm basically sewing it down directly on the wig cap. I don't know how to explain this process, but once you see what I'm doing, you would understand. It's just like sewing a closure. You sew the sides of the closure. This is what I'm doing. I'm sewing the sides of the frontal. So it's better to make it tight so that it won't be too loose. Make sure you lay it down so well that it won't be obvious that you're putting on a frontal. Yes guys, don't forget to subscribe right now if you haven't, and click the notification bell to get messages whenever I post a video.
Your busy body busy tonight. Joanna, making all the dummy tonight. Joanna, your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. Why you do me like Joanna? Joanna. Why you do me like Joanna? Joanna. How you gonna do me like Joanna? Joanna. Hey Joanna. Hey Joanna. Joanna. Ay. Hey. How you gonna play me like Drogba? How you gonna do me like Drogba? Oh, DJ Drogba. Hey, DJ Drogba. Joanna, your busy body busy tonight. Joanna.
So once you're done with your frontal, you go over to the back, so you sew it down, and this is the finishing look. I didn't really show much on how I sewed it down because you guys have already seen videos on that. This is the way I sewed down my elastic band on the wig cap. I sized it from ear to ear directly on the frontal. Then I sewed it down with the wig cap by the edge at the back, so it will be firm and it won't shift, because that was the way I was comfortable with. And I'm stretching the hair. The hair is kind of coily, it's not like straight wave, so I'm stretching it to give it like a cute base. And I straightened the hair before I cut it, and after I cut it I still straightened it. Like I said, the hair is not straight, it's kind of coily, so it's your preference. And I trimmed the hair a little bit because come on, it's a bob, so it's supposed to be trimmed. And it's your preference if you want to, but I like it trimmed, so I trimmed it a little bit to give it that cute blonde bob. After this I actually straighten the hair again. So yes, take your time, don't cut it too much or it won't be too short. This is the hair before I cut the lace out. So you have to be very careful when cutting out your lace on your frontal, because if you cut it too much it might the hair might also go. So you have to take your time. You can use a razor blade, scissors, anything sharp, as long as it's able to cut it out neatly. Take your time guys, don't rush it, because any slight mistake might go on the hair, and you don't want to have your hair cut out with the closure, with your net, sorry. Yes guys.
How you gonna play me like Drogba, ho? Drogba, ho? How you gonna do me like Drogba, ho? Drogba, ho? Oh, DJ Drogba, ho? Drogba, ho? DJ Drogba, ho? Drogba, ho?
um Gorilla Snot Gel, Moko the Gorilla Snot Gel, to lay my baby hairs and put in my wig. This is the best glue to use for to lay your wigs. Like, I would highly recommend this. Highly recommend it. So you apply the Gorilla Snot Gel on your front hair, your edges or whatever, and I place it down, and I'm placing it down so it would hold well. Guys, sometimes on some good days my baby hairs are fire, but not all the time. So like, the smell of this Gorilla Snot Gel is mad, it's so good. So this is me trying my best to make sure my baby hair is cute. Like, who doesn't love baby hairs? I do. I don't know about you guys, but I love baby hairs and it's a must have. So yes, and I'm laying it down with a scarf, like 5-10 minutes. My baby hairs is snatched, dried, laid. So if you don't subscribe, what have you gained? Nothing. So you have to subscribe. Please subscribe button, like, share, so that you'll be able to contribute to my YouTube community and also learn from me. Bye guys, love you, thank you.